Okay, family, I have something special to share with you today. I have been waiting for this moment. I have a special package that I want to unbox with you guys. So before I open it, I want to just say that we often talk about how we love worshiping with our flags, worshiping and with movement, and even just our creative arts that we do. So today, I wanted to share something exciting, and I wanted to open it first with you guys. So let us open. I'm gonna try to keep my emotions together so that I can get through this video. All right. Here it is. It's a heavy box. You can see it. This is the Speak Life Journal. So this is a 40-day prophetic journal for worshipers. Now, you don't have to just be a flagger. You can be a dancer. You could be a singer. You could be a worshiper. Definition is just somebody who worship God. So this is for everybody. So this is for a 40-day journey. Now, let's take, you got the back part. It just explains what the journal is for. And then inside, so, okay, before that, this is not a blank journal. This is actually a journal that is for 40 days. You have your title. Of course, we always start with scripture. We have the motivation. You have your declaration that you are going to read out loud. You have your activation, because it's one thing to speak things, but you also need to activate. And then you have your space to journal and get daily encouragement. So yes, I'm excited about this 40 days of prophetic declarations. Now, I got another good news. You don't have to do this by yourself. We're going to start this journal on day 1 on February 18th, which is Ash Wednesday. And it's going to take us all the way through to Resurrection Sunday. We're going to do it together on my YouTube channel. So be sure to grab your book so that you have it in time for February 18th. You can grab it on my website, on Amazon as well. And I also have a digital version if you want to do it electronically on your tablet. So yes, let's get ready to speak life with our words.